now that I know that all of the servos are centered, I can go ahead and tighten the little bolts in the axles to hold the servos in place. I'll take out one of the bolts from the back of horns or rocker arms to the back side. And I will tighten right here. I can go ahead and tighten completely since I know that the servo is properly positioned and zeroed. Now I'll go ahead, take out bolt from the next back, leave the rocker arms aside, and I will mount this one as shown on this picture. Tighten completely. Don't worry if the servo rotates, we know that it's already properly zeroed. Move to the next one. Tighten completely. Move to the next one. Tighten completely. And now the remaining 4 here. So we'll start with this one. Tighten completely. Put the back aside. Next one. Fully tighten while supporting the servo on the other side. And now the last 2, this and this. Take out a bolt, leave the rocker arms aside, they will not be needed anymore for this project. Support the servo from below. Insert the bolt in the center and tighten. Seems like this bolt here is slightly loose. Okay, And now the last one. Take out the little bolt, leave the back aside, and insert it. Then fully tighten. Now this step is complete, all the bolts are in place. I can power the robot, and as you can see, it centered itself. And this step is ready. Now we can go back in the menu and continue with the next step as shown on this picture.